This is my house. House. There are roofs, windows, and a door. The roof is red. Roof. There are many windows in my house. Window. The door is large. Door. Look, there is a beautiful garden. Garden. The car is parked in the garage. Garage. This is the living room. Living room. There are a television, sofas, and a bookshelf. There is a soft carpet on the floor. Carpet, sofa, bookshelf, television. This is the kitchen. Kitchen. There are a stove, a refrigerator, and a table. There are dishes, spoons, forks, and knives on the table. Stove, refrigerator, dish, spoon, fork, knife. This is the bathroom. Bathroom. There are a tub, a toilet, and a sink. There are some soap and towels too. Toilet, tub, sink, soap, towel. This is my bedroom. Bedroom. There are a bed, a blanket, and a pillow. Bed, blanket, pillow.